Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the audio not available on Pinterest. If you're encountering issue with audio not being available on Pinterest, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. First, you need to check your device's volume. Make sure that volume on your device is turned up and not muted. Sometimes the issue may be related to your device's volume settings. You could also check your Pinterest setting. In order to do that, press your Pinterest app like this, go to your app information and simply check your notifications like this and make sure that the notifications are allowed. But if it like this in your notification, then simply toggle off this option. Or you could also try restarting your Pinterest app. Go back first, you need to open it like this and go back and simply clear it. This can help refresh the app and resolve any temporary glitches, or you could also try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your device can resolve various issues, including problems with audio in apps like Pinterest. Or you could also try updating your Pinterest. In order to do that, open your Play Store, look out for the Pinterest app and open it. And simply there will be an option showing you update instead of open. If there's any requirement of update in Pinterest, make sure you have the latest version of the Pinterest app installed in your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can address issues with audio. Or you could also try checking your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Pinterest may require a stable connection to load and play audio properly. And if the problem still persists, you need to uninstall your Pinterest app and reinstall back again. This can help resolve any corrupted files or settings causing the problem. And if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to reach out to Pinterest support for further assistance. They may be able to provide specific guidance or troubleshoot the problem on their end. And by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most the issue with audio not being available on Pinterest. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.